Fun facts about penguins. Hey there, explorers! Welcome to Whimsical World Wanderers. Penguins, the adorable waddling wonders of the animal kingdom. They may not fly through the air, but they sure glide like pros underwater. Today, we're learning about the fascinating world of penguins. From their icy habitats to their quirky habits, you're in for a treat. So grab your coat and let's go. Number 1, let's learn about penguins. First off, what exactly is a penguin? Penguins are flightless seabirds native to the southern hemisphere, with most calling Antarctica home. There are 18 different species of penguins. Including the mighty emperor penguin. Next is the king penguin, the second largest of the penguin species. Here we have the rockhopper penguin. Next up is the gentoo penguin. Now here are the adorable Adelie penguins. Next are the cute Magellanic penguins. And here's the Galapagos penguin of the Galapagos Islands. Fun fact: penguins are amazing swimmers. Some can hit speeds of up to 22 miles per hour underwater. Number 2, dress to impress. Penguins are always dressed to impress in their signature tuxedo look. But those black and white feathers are more than just a fashion statement. It's actually a form of camouflage called countershading. Their black backs blend with the dark ocean depths when seen from above, while their white bellies mimic the bright surface when seen from below. Number 3, life in the colony. Penguins are very social creatures. Most live in large colonies, called rookeries, with thousands or even millions of other penguins. That's a lot of neighbors. And And they've got some serious parenting skills. For example, emperor penguin dads take babysitting to a whole new level, balancing the egg on their feet for months in freezing conditions while mom is out hunting. Fun fact: male emperor penguins can lose half their body weight while caring for the egg. And when the chicks hatch, they're as fluffy as cotton balls. Number 4. The Great Migration. Many penguin species migrate incredible distances every year. Emperor penguins march up to 75 miles across treacherous ice to reach their breeding grounds. Meanwhile, Adelie penguins travel over 8,000 miles annually. That's like crossing the United States coast to coast twice. Number 5. What do penguins eat? Ever wonder what's on a penguin's menu? Mostly seafood. Penguins feast on krill, fish, and squid. They're excellent hunters, using their speed and agility to catch prey underwater. And did you know their tongues are lined with backward-facing barbs to grip those slippery snacks? Number 6. Threats to penguins. Unfortunately, penguins face some serious challenges. Climate change is melting their icy habitats, and overfishing is depleting their food sources. Oil spills and pollution also threaten their survival. But there's hope. Conservation efforts around the world are helping to protect these incredible birds. Number 7. Fun penguin facts. Before we wrap up, here are some fun penguin facts to make you smile. Did you know a group of penguins on land is called a waddle, and in the water they're a raft? And get this, king penguins have a mating call so unique that they can recognize their partner's voice among thousands of other penguins. True love, penguin style. Speaking of love, penguins are romantic. Males of some species gift their mates the perfect pebble because nothing says "I love you" like a shiny rock. Penguins are not just cute, they're incredible survivors with fascinating lives. Whether they're braving the icy wilderness or waddling across sandy shores, They remind us of the beauty and resilience of nature. Thanks for joining us on this penguin-packed adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal videos. See you next time!